Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. Today we are going to provide you with 15 MCQs unit wise from the unit that you are seeing on your screens. This is the 5th time revision of NCERT Biology. I hope you are finding these MCQs helpful in your coming NEET exam preparation. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Through their effect on plant growth regulators, what do the temperature and light control in the plant? What does the temperature and light controls in the plant? Flowering, closure of stomata, fruit elongation, apical dominance. Correct answer is option A. Flowering of plant is controlled by the temperature and light. Question number 2. The energy releasing metabolic process in which substrate is oxidized without an external electron acceptor is called glycolysis, fermentation, aerobic respiration, photorespiration. The correct answer is option B, fermentation. There is no external electron acceptor in fermentation and the substrate gets oxidized. Question number 3. The oxygen evolved during photosynthesis comes from water molecules. Which one of the following pair of elements is involved in the reaction? Magnesium and chlorine, manganese and chlorine, magnesium and potassium, magnesium and molybdenum. The correct answer is option B, manganese and chlorine is involved. Question number 4. Root pressure develops due to increase in transpiration, active absorption, low osmotic potential in soil, passive absorption. Root pressure develops due to. Correct answer is option B, active absorption. Question number 5. Carbohydrates are commonly found as starch in plant storage organ. Which of the following 5 properties of starch makes it useful as a storage material? The properties are easily translocated, chemically non-reactive, easily digested by animals, osmotically inactive, synthesized during photosynthesis. Which of these 5 properties is useful that makes starch as the storage form of carbohydrate? Both A and E, both B and C. Option 3 is both B and D. Option 4 is A, C and E. The correct answer is option 3, that is both B and D. Starch is chemically non-reactive and osmotically inactive, which makes it apt for storage. Question number 6. Bacteria which oxidizes nitrite to nitrate. Option A, Nitrosomonas. Option B, Nitrococcus. Option C, Nitrobacter. Option D, Theobacillus. Correct answer is option C, that is Nitrobacter. Question 7. One of the commonly used plant growth hormone in tea plantation is abscisic acid, zeatin, indole 3-acetic acid, ethylene. Correct answer is option C, indole 3-acetic acid. Question number 8. Root development is promoted by auxin, gibberellin, ethylene, abscisic acid. Root development is promoted by. Correct answer is option A, auxin. Question number 9. An example of endomycorrhizae is glomus, agaricus, rhizobium, nostoc. Endomycorrhizae. Correct answer is option A, glomus. Question number 10. Leguminous plants are able to fix atmospheric nitrogen through the process of symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Which one of the following statement is not correct during this process of nitrogen fixation? Option A. Nodules act as site of nitrogen fixation. Option B. Enzyme nitrogenase catalyzes the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. Option C. Nitrogen is insensitive to oxygen. Option D. Leg hemoglobin scavenges oxygen and is pinkish in color. Which one of the following statement is not correct regarding the process of nitrogen fixation? The correct answer is option C is incorrect. Nitrogen is insensitive to oxygen. That's an incorrect statement. Question number 11. One of the synthetic auxins is IAA, GA, IBA, NAA. Synthetic oxygen. Correct answer is option D, NAA or naphthalene acetic acid. It is a synthetic oxygen. Question number 12. The phase common in aerobic and anaerobic respiration is Krebs cycle, glycolysis, glycogenolysis, electron transport system. Phase common in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. The correct answer is option B, glycolysis is common phase. Question number 13. For its action, nitrogenase requires light, Mn2 plus ion, superoxygen radical, high input of energy. Correct answer is option D, high input of energy. Question number 14. Transport of food material in higher plants take place through transfusion tissues, tracheids, sieve elements, companion cells. Transfusion of food material in higher plants takes place through. Correct answer is option C, sieve elements. Question number 15. Cran's anatomy is one of the characteristic features of the leaves of wheat, sugarcane, mustard, potato. Cran's anatomy. Correct answer is option B, sugarcane. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs from the next unit of NCERT biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.